Hello student, today I start exercise 3.2. For this, remember table 3.4 we have already discussed in previous video. So table 3.4 is very important for us to solve this exercise. So we start exercise 3.2. Now first question is from the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution graphically. Please take a book. Your book is here. So first question is 10 student of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So we let number of girls be x and number of boys be y. So according to question is what? Total number of student is 10. So x, it means girls plus boy. So x plus y equal 10. Now again by according to question, second thing is number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So we let number of girls is what? X. So x is what? 4 more than the number of boys. So we let y equal boys. So x equal 4 plus y plus 4. It is our equation second. And first is what? X plus y equal 10. So now for equation first, x plus y equal 10. So we get value of x is what? 10 minus x. Now we arrange for graphically method. We find this following table. So x and y, we put the value of y, so we get value of x. Now here we first put y equal 5, so 10 minus 5 we get x equal 5. Now we put y equal 6, so we get 10 minus 6 is what? X equal 4. Now we put y equal 4, so we get x equal 6. Similarly from equation second, x equal y plus 4, so we put value of y equal 1, so 1 plus 4 is what is? We get 5. Now again we put y equal 0, so 0 plus 4 is what? 4, so x equal 4. Now we put y equal 2, so 2 plus 4 is what? 6. So these two tables are used for making graph for graphically method. Okay, so now we draw this graph by helping these two table. What the conclusion? Here two lines are intersect at which x 7 comma 3. It means what is the value of x? X is 7 and y is 3. So number of boys equal 3 and number of girls equal 7. By the help of these two table we make a graph. Okay, so first draw all this point in graph paper, and second this all this point of this table draw in second line. So we find such type of graph. Okay, so ग्राफ आपको ड्रॉ करना आना चाहिए. ओके, सो वी ड्रॉ दिस फॉलोइंग ग्राफ. सो नंबर ऑफ बॉयज इक्वल 3 एंड नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इक्वल 7. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज द 5 pencil and 7 pen together cost 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pen together cost 46 rupees. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. Here we find cost of 1 pencil and cost of 1 pen. So we let cost of 1 pencil is x rupees and cost of 1 pen is y rupees. So according to question, first condition is what? 5 pencil and 7 pen. So 5x plus 7y equal what is total rupees? 50 cost. So here it is our equation first. Now second condition is what? 7 pencil and 5 pen. So 7 pencil we let pencil equal x. So 7x plus 5y equal 46 rupees. So we solve similarly in previous question. So from equation first is what? 5x plus 7y equal 50. So 5x equal 50 minus 7y. So x equal what? 50 minus 7y upon 5. Here we put value of y, then we get value of x. So first we put y equal 0. So we get x equal 50 minus 7 into 0 upon 5. It means 50 upon 5. So we get x equal 10. Now we put y equal 5. सबसे सिंपलेस्ट तरीका है आपको कि जो डिनोमिनेटर में वैल्यू होगी उसमें जो आपने फर्स्ट वैल्यू पुट करी है उसका सम करना है. क्या करना है आपको? सम करना है. सो 0 + 5 क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 5. सो वी पुट y = 5. सो वी गेट x = 50 - 7 × 5/5. सो 50 - 35 वी गेट 15/5. सो वी गेट 3. Similarly we put 5 + 5 is what? 10. 5 + 5 is what? 10. So we put y = 10. So x = 50 - 7 × 10/5. So we get 50 - 70 - 20/5. So we get -4. Now in equation second, 7x + 5y = 46. So 7x = 46 - 5y. So x = 46 - 5y/7. Here first we put one more important thing here. Note the fraction value and decimal value are obtained. Okay, आपकी ना तो फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू आना चाहिए ना डेसिमल वैल्यू आना चाहिए. आपका कोई भी नंबर होना चाहिए ना, इंटीजर होना चाहिए, चाहे पॉजिटिव हो, नेगेटिव हो, जीरो. इंटीजर वैल्यू आपको ऑब्टेन करनी है. सो वी पुट y = 5. So we get x = 46 - 5 × 5/7. So 46 - 25 we get 21/7. So we get 3. Now x = y = L, we get x = -2, and y = -2 we get x = 8. So now our टेबल आपको बना के और प्लॉट करना है. ओके, टेबल बना के आपको ये ग्राफ पर प्लॉट करना है दोनों पॉइंट्स. हियर 3 and 5 are intersect two lines. So 3, 5 our points. So therefore we get x, y = 3, 5. So cost of one pencil is, we take x. So x is what? 3, and cost of one pen is 5 rupees. Okay, here you draw this table first by helping this point, all two table. Okay, then draw this following graph. Now question number second is on comparing the ratio B1/A1/A2, B1/B2 and C1/C2, find out whether the line represent the following pairs of linear equation intersect at a point and are parallel or coincident. आपको चेक करके बताना है कि आपकी जो लाइन्स है वो इंटरसेक्टिंग एट ए पॉइंट है, पैरेलल है और कोइंसिडेंट है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 5x - 4y + 8 = 0 and 7x + 6y - 9 = 0. So what we do, compare with general equation a1x + b1y + c1 = 0 and a2x + b2y + c2 = 0. It means this equation is compared by this and this equation is compared by this. Okay, so now we get what is the value of a1. A1 = 5. We compare this. So a1 = 5, b1 = -4 and c1 = 8. a2 = 7, b2 = 6 and c2 = -9. So now we find a1/a2. So a1/a2 is what? 5/7, and b1/b2 is -4/6, and so we cut out this -2/3, and c1/c2 is 8/-9. Here a1/a2 is not equal b1/b2 because 5/7 is not equals to -2/3. So this pair of linear equation is intersecting at the point by the helping of table 3.4. So table 3.4 is very important for us to solve this exercise. Now similarly, question number second is 9x + 3y + 12 = 0 and 18x + 6y + 24 = 0. Again we compare this by general equation. So we get a1 = 9, b1 = 3 and c2 = 12. a2 = 18, b2 = 6 and c2 = 24. Now we find a1/a2. a1/a2 is what? 9/18. So we cancel out, we get 1/2. b1/b2 is what? 3/6. We again cancel out, so we get 1/2. And c1/c2 is 12/24. So we again get 1/2. Here a1/a2 is equal to 1/2. b1/b2 is also 1/2 and c1/c2 is also 1/2. Here a1/a2 is equals to b1/b2 is equals to c1/c2. So given linear equation are coincident. Okay. Similarly do third. Now question number third is On comparing the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find our whether the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. आपको बताना है consistent equation है और inconsistent है. So we do same process we use in question number second. So first we compare this by two general equation. We get A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2. Again we find A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2. Here A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So it is unique solution and it is intersecting line and it is consistent. Okay, जब भी solution यूनिक सॉल्यूशन एंड इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशन की कंडीशन में जो आपकी रेस होती है, लाइंस होती है, वो कंसिस्टेंस होती है और नो सॉल्यूशंस की केस में आपकी जो लाइंस पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस होती है वो इनकंसिस्टेंस होती है. ओके, नाउ वी डू सेकेंड. 2x minus 3y equal 8 and 4x minus 6y equal 9. First we arrange in general equation form. So we replace in LHS also and 9 also replace in LHS. So 9 is minus 9 and 8 is minus 8. Compare with general equation, we get value of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2. Again we find A1 upon A2, so A1 upon A2 is what? 2 upon 4, so we get 1 upon 2. B1 upon B2 is what? Minus 3 upon minus 6, so we get 1 upon 2. And C1 upon C2 is what? Minus 8 upon minus 9, so we get 8 upon 9. So here A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 because 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 are equal. But C1 upon C2 is what? 8 upon 9, so not equals to C1 upon C2. So A1 upon A2 is equal B1 upon B2, not equal C1 upon C2. So pair of linear equation has no solution and this line are so linear equation are inconsistent. Okay. Similarly, do question third. Now we start question fourth. Fourth is what? Which of the following pair of linear equation are consistent and inconsistent? सेम आपको क्वेश्चन थर्ड के टाइप ही चेक करना है, कंसिस्टेंस है और इनकंसिस्टेंस है. इफ कंसिस्टेंट, यदि आपकी जो इक्वेशंस है वो कंसिस्टेंस है, देन ऑब्टेन सॉल्यूशन बाय ग्राफिकली, देन आपका उसको सॉल्यूशन ग्राफिकली सॉल्व करना है. सो फर्स्ट वी चेक पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इज कंसिस्टेंट और नॉट. सो फर्स्ट वी चेक इट. So x plus y equal 5 and 2x plus 2y equal 10. So first we arrange in general form. So x plus y minus 5 equal 0 and 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal 0. Compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. We get the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. Same process do in all this question. Okay. So A1 upon A2 is what? 1 upon 2. B1 upon B2 is what? 1 upon 2. And C1 upon C2 is what? Minus 5 upon minus 10. So minus to minus cancel and 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So we get 1 upon 2. So here A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. It means pair of linear equation are consistent. In case of consistence, we find the solution by graphically. So if it is inconsistent, then we omit this question. Okay. In case of consistence, we do the following process by solving the graphically solution. Okay. So pair of linear equation is consistent. So by equation first x plus y equal 5 and second is 2x plus 2y equal 10. So here x equal 5 minus y. So we put value of y and we get value of x. So we put y equal 1, so we get 5 minus 1 equal 4. If we put y equal 2, so we get 3, and if we put y equal 3, so we get 5 minus 3 equal 2. Now equation second is 2x plus 2y equal 10. Now we divide all this equation by 2, so we get again x plus y equal 5. This equation is similar to this, then again table is same. So this is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals c1 upon c2. We know that in case solution is infinite many solution, and जो आपकी लाइंस होगी वो क्या होगी, आपकी कोइंसिडेंट होगी, मतलब वन रे के ऊपर ही आपकी सेकेंड रो होगी. तो ग्राफ ऑफ अबाउट दिस इक्वेशन इज लाइक दैट. ओके. So please make this graph. Now we check second. Second is what? X minus y equal 8 and 3x minus 3y equal 16. So first we arrange in general form and compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. So here a1 equal 1, coefficient of x is what? 1, and b1 equal minus 1 and c1 equal minus 8, a2 equal 3, b2 equal minus 3 and c2 equal minus 16. Okay, so a1 upon a2 is what? 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 is minus 1 upon minus 3, so again it is minus to minus cancel, so it is 1 upon 3, and c1 upon c2 is minus 8 upon minus 16, so minus se minus cancel, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, so 1 upon 2. Here a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 because 1 upon 3 is equal 1 upon 3, but not equals to c1 upon c2. So pair of linear equation are inconsistent. Inconsistent है तो आपको यही solution क्या कर देना है? End कर देना है. Similarly do third and fourth for your homework. Now question number 5 is important question. Now what the question say? Half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of garden. It means we find the value of length and width. So we take the length of garden equal x meter and let the breadth of garden equal x meter and length of garden equal y meter, and given that half of parameter का half है ना, okay, 36 meter given है. So we know that parameter of rectangle is what? Formula 2 into length plus width. Okay, so 2 into length plus width and parameter is half, so we multiply by half. Okay, equal 36, so 2 से 2 cancel, it means, and length we consider length equal y and breadth equal x, so x plus y equal 36. So we here this is our first equation, and again according to question is what? Length is 4 meter more than its width. जो आपकी लेंथ है वो आपकी ब्रीथ से क्या है? 4 मीटर 4 मोर देन है, 4 मीटर मोर देन. सो आपकी लेंथ है y, सो y इक्वल x प्लस 4. जो आपकी x ब्रीथ है उससे 4 मोर है, इट मीन्स x प्लस 4. इट इज अवर इक्वेशन सेकेंड. नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट x प्लस वाई इक्वल 36, सो x इक्वल 36 माइनस वाई. Now again we put value of y, we get value of x. So if we put y equal 36, so 36 minus 36, what we get? 0. Now we put y equal 0, so x equal 36. Now we put x equal 20, so what we get? 36 minus 20, we get x equal 16. Now from equation second is what? Y equal x plus 4. Here we put value of x, so we get value of y. So we put x equal 0, so 0 plus 4 we get 4. If we put x equal 8, so 8 plus 4 equal 12, so we get y equal 12. If we put x equal 16, so 16 plus 4 we get y equal 20. By help of these two table, we draw the following graph in such type of graph are drawn by the helping these two table. Okay, so these two line are intersected. This common point is what? 16, 20. So it is our required dimension. So what is our dimension? So breadth of the garden is, we let x. So x is what? 16. So breadth of the garden is 16 meter and length of garden is 20 meter. Okay. Now question number 6 is very easy. Question number 6 says given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of pairs of form is first is intersecting line, second is parallel line, and third is coincidence line. So for intersecting line, it means in this question what we do, we take another equation. So we satisfy this intersecting condition. It means intersecting, what is the intersecting condition? A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So first equation is also given, we given 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0. So if we take x plus 3y minus 10 equals 0, it means here A1 upon A2 is not equal B1 upon B2. Why? Because A1 is what? 2 and B1 is, A2 is what? 1 and B1 is what? 3 and B2 is what? 3. So 2 upon 1 2 and 3 upon 3 1. So 2 is not equals to 1. It means A1 upon A2 is not equal B1 upon B2. For parallel line, what condition? A1 upon A2 is equal B1 upon B2, but not equal C1 upon C2. So we take if 4x plus 6y minus 9. So 2 upon 4 we get 1 upon 2. Okay. Now 3 upon 6 again we get 1 upon 2. Now minus 8 upon minus 9. So minus से minus cancel, but 8 upon 9 as it is रहेगा. It means A1 upon A2 is equal B1 upon B2 but not equal C1 upon C2. So it is parallel line condition. Now third is coincident line. It means A1 upon A2 is equal also B1 upon B2 is also C1 upon C2. So we take 4x plus 6y minus 16. So what? 2 upon 4 we get 1 upon 2. Again 3 upon 6 again we get 1 upon 2. Again minus 8 upon minus 16 again we get minus से minus cancel 1 upon 2. It means A1 upon A2 is equal B1 upon B2 is equal C1 upon C2 for coincident line. Now question number 7th is draw the graph of the equations x minus y plus 1 equals 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertex of a triangle formed by this line and x-axis and shape the triangular region. Okay, so first we find the graphical solution of these two equations. Okay, so first equation is what? X minus y plus 1 equals 0 and second is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal 0. So x minus y equal minus 1, so x equal minus 1 plus y. So we put if y equal 1, so we get minus 1 plus 1, 0. If we put y equal 2, so we get minus 1 plus 2, we get 1. If we put y equal 3, so minus 1 plus 2, we minus 1 plus 3, we get 2. Similarly, in equation second, what we do? 3x plus 2y equal 12, so 3x equal 12 minus 2y, so x equal 12 minus 2y upon 3. Now we put y equal 0. If we put y equal 0 in this equation, we get 12 minus 2 into 0 upon 3, we get 12 upon 3, so we get x equal 4. So what we do? 0 plus 3, आपको जो भी डिनोमिनेटर होगा उसमें जो आपने वैल्यू फर्स्ट में पुट की है उसका सम करना है. So 0 plus 3 what? 3. So we put y equal 3, so x equal 12 minus in this equation. So 12 minus 3y, so 12 minus 2 into 3 upon 3, so we get 12 minus 6 upon 3, so we get 6 upon 3, so we get 2. Now we put y equal 6, so x equal 12 minus 2 into 6 upon 3, so 12 minus 12 upon 3, so we get 0 upon 3, it means 0. So we prepare this two table. Okay, this two table. By the help of this two table, we draw this graph. So this graph is like this form. Okay, so here what we are, here it is a graphical solution. Now we find a triangle. Okay, you see that this is a triangle, this is form a one triangle. Okay, so we write it vertex. So in x-axis what it cut minus 1 0 4 0, and what is the third vertex of triangle? 2 comma 3. So it is our vertex. The coordinate of the vertex of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis are minus 1 0 4 comma 0 and 2 comma 3. So our exercise 3.2 is complete. In next video we discuss exercise 3.3, which is based on substitution method of pair of linear equation. Thank you.